Could I say that what we witnessed today was the subversion of the Irish Constitution. The most fundamental obligation of the Dáil is to elect a Taoiseach and indeed to elect a government. That opportunity was denied today by a premeditated, coordinated and choreographed position by the opposition and particularly by Sinn Féin party. There was numerous attempts to facilitate agreement. At various times people thought agreements had been arrived at, and it became very clear to us that there was no intention ever to reach agreement on the nomination of a Taoiseach or a government today. This is the first time, I think, in over 100 years that the Dáil has failed to elect a government to fulfil its constitutional obligation. There is nothing more fundamental that the Dáil has to do, is obliged to do, than elect a government. And any other issues pale in significance in comparison to that fundamental obligation. The people have voted in a general election. There was a majority of the people's representatives in Dáil Éireann today prepared to elect a government. They were denied the opportunity to vote. That is a fundamental subversion of the Constitution and of our democracy. And it is unacceptable and unprecedented.